Now, 50 years ago, Evel Knievel attempted his most famous stunt, jumping the length of 13 buses in front of 90,000 people at Wembley Stadium, all of it on live television. It was a crash landing that took the legendary daredevil years to recover from, but it's a moment of bravery that's still being celebrated today, as Rags Martel found out.
Biking, back in time. Revved up and dressed in jumpsuits.
Wow.
Remembering 50 years since Evel Knievel's famously failed stunt to fly over 13 London buses at Wembley.
We've done it every year since 2012. We are Cymru Knievels. We don't ride like Evel, we dress like him. He was the original daredevil, and what a way to celebrate 50 years.
Their journey began 5 days ago when 50 riders left Wales, headed to Wembley while raising money for a children's charity.
It's just so iconic, you know, and there's 50 of us celebrating his 50th year of doing it here with the Knievel family, you know, all for NSPCC, and it's just incredible. It's just so special.
This morning they reached the capital, gathering, of course, in an old London bus. So how important was it to remember Evel Knievel's jump?
He's like a mentorship to us. There's something new, something exciting, and something wonderful that nobody's ever done it before. And I'm telling you, this is what triggered us to become ridership. We're riders.
And you're all in the outfit?
I'm all in the outfit, buddy. Living the dream.
It was May 1975 when the American stunt performer tried to jump the 13 buses.
Here he goes, and he will go.
Despite falling off and injuring himself, he insisted on walking out of the stadium.
I've got to tell you that you are the last people in the world who will ever see me jump, because I will never, ever, ever jump again. I am through.
Despite saying when he left Wembley Stadium that he would never ride again, Evel Knievel did actually get back on his bike to jump again. Was that just part of just his way, breaking records and bones?
Just a testament to his courage and his character and his showmanship that he crashed jumping 13 buses at Wembley and then decided to go back to the United States and jump 14 buses, one more. So that's just the kind of man he was.
And with that, the bikers went home, but the legend of Evel Knievel's jump stays here. Rags Martel, ITV News, Wembley.